For decades, one automatic transmission refused to quit. It powered muscle cars, hauled heavy loads, survived brutal abuse, and earned a reputation as America's toughest gearbox. Mechanics still swear by it today. So what made the GM Turbo-Hydramatic 400 nearly indestructible? The answer isn't just bigger parts. It's a story of brilliant engineering that changed automatic transmissions forever. By the early 1960s, General Motors faced a growing engineering problem. America's cars were becoming bigger, heavier, and more powerful than ever before. High-compression V8 engines were producing well over 300 horsepower, while full-size saloons, station wagons, luxury cars, and pickup trucks demanded automatic transmissions that could handle increasing torque without sacrificing reliability. Existing automatics, including GM's 2-speed Powerglide and the early 4-speed Hydramatic, each had their strengths, but neither offered the ideal combination of smooth operation, durability, and capacity for the company's largest engines. GM engineers wanted more than just another automatic gearbox. Their goal was to design a transmission strong enough for luxury cars, muscle cars, commercial vehicles, and even severe-duty applications, while remaining refined enough for everyday drivers. The result was the Turbo-Hydramatic 400, introduced for the 1964 model year. From the beginning, it wasn't designed to be merely adequate. It was engineered with generous safety margins, robust internal components, and the expectation that it would handle virtually any engine General Motors could build, making it one of the most durable automatic transmissions of its era. The Turbo-Hydramatic 400 wasn't just stronger than the transmissions it replaced. It was engineered from the ground up with durability as the highest priority. GM gave it a rugged cast aluminum case that resisted flex under heavy loads, while inside it used a robust 3-speed planetary gear set capable of handling far more torque than most passenger cars would ever produce. Large multi-plate clutch packs and heavy-duty bands provided greater holding power, reducing wear even under demanding conditions. Another key feature was its hydraulic control system. Rather than relying on electronics, the TH400 used hydraulic pressure, engine vacuum, and a centrifugal governor to determine exactly when to change gears. The result was smooth, dependable shifting that required no computers or sensors. GM also equipped it with a durable torque converter that multiplied engine torque during acceleration before locking into efficient power delivery at cruising speeds. Engineers intentionally designed many internal components with generous safety margins. Instead of building the transmission just strong enough for normal driving, they built it to withstand years of towing, high temperatures, and repeated hard acceleration. That over-engineering became the TH400's greatest strength. Whether installed behind a luxury Cadillac V8 or a high-performance Chevrolet Big Block, the transmission earned a reputation for taking abuse that would destroy many of its competitors, often running reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. One of the biggest reasons the Turbo-Hydramatic 400 became legendary was its incredible versatility. General Motors didn't build it for just one type of vehicle. Instead, the TH400 found its way into some of the company's largest and most demanding models. It became standard equipment in many Cadillacs, Buick Electras, Oldsmobile 98s, and full-size Chevrolets, where drivers expected effortless, silky smooth performance. At the same time, the transmission proved equally capable behind some of America's most powerful muscle car engines. High-torque Chevrolet 396 and 454 Big Blocks, Pontiac's 428 and 455 V8s, Buick's massive 455, and Oldsmobile's 455 all relied on the TH400 to handle immense torque without complaint. It also became a favorite in heavy-duty Chevrolet and GMC pickup trucks, motorhomes, and commercial vehicles, where reliability mattered far more than outright performance. Its reputation soon spread beyond General Motors. Jeep adopted the TH400 for rugged Wagoneers, Gladiators, and early Cherokee models equipped with powerful V8 engines, while military versions also benefited from its proven strength. Few automatic transmissions of the era could perform equally well in a luxury saloon, a muscle car, a work truck, and an off-road vehicle. That remarkable adaptability helped cement the TH400 as one of America's greatest automatic transmissions. The Turbo-Hydramatic 400 earned more than just the respect of drivers. It became one of the most trusted automatic transmissions in repair shops across America. Mechanics appreciated its straightforward hydraulic design, strong internal components, and predictable reliability. Without electronic control modules or complex sensors, diagnosing problems was often simpler than with later automatic transmissions. Routine maintenance was equally uncomplicated. Regular fluid and filter changes were usually all that was needed to keep a healthy TH400 operating for decades. When repairs eventually became necessary, replacement parts were widely available, and the transmission could be rebuilt without the specialized diagnostic equipment required by modern electronically controlled gearboxes. Its strength also made it a favorite among racers and performance enthusiasts. Many discovered that the TH400 could handle enormous increases in engine power with only modest upgrades. Reinforced clutch packs, improved valve bodies, and stronger torque converters allowed it to survive horsepower figures far beyond what GM had originally intended. Even today, many drag racers, hot rodders, and off-road builders continue to choose the TH400 because it has proven, time and again, that reliability often matters more than having an extra gear. The Turbo-Hydramatic 400 didn't remain exclusive to General Motors for long. Its exceptional strength and reliability attracted other manufacturers looking for a proven automatic transmission capable of handling large engines and demanding workloads. Jeep adopted the TH400 in many Wagoneers, Gladiators, and Cherokees fitted with V8 power during the late 1960s and early 1970s. American Motors also used it in selected high-performance and heavy-duty applications, while manufacturers of motorhomes, commercial vehicles, and specialty trucks appreciated its ability to cope with continuous heavy loads. Its reputation extended well beyond the showroom. Drag racers quickly realized the TH400 could withstand repeated full-throttle launches that destroyed many other automatic transmissions. Off-road enthusiasts valued its simple hydraulic operation, which remained dependable even in harsh environments where electronics could become a liability. The transmission also found its way into countless custom builds, from street rods to rock crawlers, because builders knew it could reliably handle serious horsepower. Decades after production ended, the TH400 is still being rebuilt, upgraded, and installed in performance cars across America. Few transmissions have remained so respected for so long, a testament to the strength of GM's original engineering. Although newer transmissions eventually replaced it, the Turbo-Hydramatic 400 never lost its legendary reputation. More than 60 years after its debut, restorers, racers, and mechanics still regard it as one of America's toughest automatic transmissions. Its combination of strength, simplicity, and reliability made it a benchmark for generations of gearboxes. The TH400 proved that sometimes the greatest engineering achievement isn't the most complicated, it's the one that simply refuses to fail.